Okay, hey guys, we are going to kill Snoopy and see if he survives. This is Alex and...
Videotaping?
Yes, it's videotaping. Okay, let's go. Ready, set, go! Destruction! Oh. He hasn't survived so much. You see,
This is everything.
his body parts. So we don't put his body parts that he died from. Let's just kill him and go. That's the full footage.
1, 2, 3.
Oh yes, he still has this neck one. Remember?
Yeah, still body armor. You can't take it off.
The neck ones is impossible to take off. Okay, let's redo this. Okay. Hello. You're gonna be on YouTube.
Or you want me to be on?
You're gonna be on YouTube.
Yeah!
Holy Jesus.
Let's have a party.
Nay people over here. Nay. Oh, the freak! No. Get away from this footage. What are you playing, Matthew? Let's zoom.
Don't touch my drink.
I'm the true hero.
So, what are you playing, Matthew?
Have a heart attack.
Minecraft?
Yeah. Well, why are you killing? What are you doing,
He's building over here. Do the nay. Do it nay. Do the nay. Nay. They suck. They don't know how to do the nay. They don't know how to do the nay.
We're making something again with it. Did you ever bring anything?
Yeah, I just will look to you. I just do worry. Let's see what happens when you get this. You're trying to get in their ear. The hair of the justice. Okay, let's see him build this stuff. So, what are you building?
Nothing.
It's called body armor for Snoopy. He needs his, he needs the, this is his buddy. This is his chin rest. Come on, chin rest, get in. That's the chin rest. Wait, this is the wrong way. Chin rest.
This thing.
Karate chop. Yeah, okay, so now I'm gonna start first.
No, let me start.
No, because I didn't go first. Okay, so we're gonna start going a little more lighter. Hold that right there. Do not press the red.
This is
Wait, press the
2.
Okay, so I'm gonna
video.
go like right here and lift it up lightly. It's completely destroyed. Like almost completely destroyed. You can never get the neck off. So let's try a nice kick. Rid of only a couple.
The chest armor broke.
Kick. It's almost. You gotta shake it.
Run and hit it.
Kick. And it's almost completely destroyed. You can't get rid of this neck. So yeah, let's just kick it off. Ready?
She is very ugly, isn't she? Right? I know she is.
You will fly back to the camera. This body armor wants to take her.
I don't think you'll like her then. Don't.